Use the truth as a weapon to beat up all your friends. Every chink in the armor, an excuse to cause offense. And the boys from the hallway calling out your name. And true love will find them in the end. You were restless, I was somewhere less secure. So I went running to the road. And so now there's the long list of places I was. I quit my rambling and came home. 'Cause maybe I was born to hold you in these arms. Maybe I was born to hold you in these arms. Use your saints and your mantra and your things to keep you calm. If you stay with that asshole, it's gonna do you harm. There's a voice singing loudly on the radio just for you. And good fortune will find him in the end. Maybe I was born to hold you in these arms. Maybe I was born to hold you in these arms. Maybe I was born to hold maybe I was born to hold you in these arms.
Don't you see me crying?
If you ever want something and you call, then I'll come running to fight, and I'll be at your door when there's nothing worth running for. When your mind's made up, when your mind's made up, there's no point trying to change it. When your mind's made up, when your mind's made up, there's no point trying to stop it.